guys, mag-iilog kamalig kami. Yan, dito na kami ngayon sa Daog. Ito yun. Ako yung magdadrive ang aking mahal. Kasama po si Uncle Dan at saka yung apo niya. Anong pangalan ng apo mo, Uncle Dan? Leia. Hello Leia. Tsaka si Luna. Ayan, ilog kamalig. Kaya pambata na ilog yun dito sa Purak.
Ano pinapakita sa YouTube na? Wow. Makapakita? Wow.
Yung dadaanan namin. Sunduin pa namin si Miguel. Yung Astro Park. Ayan. Ayan, nandito na kami. Susunduin si Miguel.
Iggy!
Wait. Dumakas ka, masuot ka. Nakikita mo na kasi. Dumakas ka.
Bala makastig ko.
Mahal, may ano daw siya oh. Find daw siya na clear rock.
Ano? Yung si Miguel, oh.
Sabi niya sa akin, how much? Tago mo.
Tago mo.
Baka diamante to.
Wala. Atang ko.
May case niya.
Akin na case.
Ayan, yung mga bata, si Miguel.
Welcome to my vlog.
Maganda, Miguel. Hindi ka malulunod.
Diyan na lang kayo mo po.
So tayo ng sinigang.
Ay! Ron yung pusa! Dito meron!
Dito.
Kuya din doon.
Hindi, may pusa eh. Takot na.
Sama tao din.
Saka walang tambak.
Sobra yan nandyan.
Wala, siguro kasi yung mga pusa at saka yung mga manok doon nag-stay.
Galo, at luna lang kalaban na.
Apat lang mo ay tapay mo ito. Ay mo, gyudan lula pa na dyan.
May naus yung katangga. Dala ka ng empe?
Repellent ba? Wala tayong repellent ron. Doon na. No.
Ang dami doon.
Binuwas pa naman yung pusa. Sabi niyo.
Ba't hindi yung mga dinala?
Doon na. Marami bang tira ko ba? Likro.
Sarap, thanks Mike. Laga lang tubo.
At least kayo ang sasabihin niya natin yun.
Ano yung nagsining?
Oo, yun eh.
Ano kumain niya?
Luna.
Luna!
Baka may mukha mas kanil yun. Miguel, look at the plant. It's being carried away. Baka may more. Oh, matapang na si Luna ngayon. Oo, ganyan-ganyan lang. Kala niya, mababasa kasi siya. Ron, pag mamalaki niyo daw yung luto niya, pakita niya daw sa'yo.
Oh, sarap naman yan. Nilaga. Ayan.
Ito.
Ito.
Ah. Sarap.
Hindi ko siya buto.
Perfect.
Okay, go to
Yeah.
It's okay.
Hindi naman deep.
Ayan. Masarap.
Kain ka na tapos.
Matutuwa yan si Ate Ann.
May cow pa dyan. May kaya pa.
Matutuwa na yan sa'yo. Magaling ka na magluto. Kaya nga eh.
Sabi nga sa kanya, ano gusto mong inumin, babe?
Vicky, dito na, tsaka Leia. Kain ko na. Marami ka mga dari. Parang naglepit lang nito niya. Dito tayo. Dito na, kain na muna. Miguel, I see a lot of fishes here, oh. Dahan-dahan ka. Yeah, you don't want to scare them. In the plant. Here in the plant. Oh, malinis. You see them? The small ones?
There's live fish.
Ayun, ang dami, Vicky, oh, here.
Yung mga fish na maliit ko yan.
Woo! Ay, nahugaw mo sila. Dito na, kain na dito. Ayan, bumabalik na sila, Miguel. Bumabalik na. Look at them, ayan. You see them fishing? Ay, swimming?
Muna. May nagkikita.
Kain na ito. Ganyan kadami, bawasan ko. Catch one. Bawasan. I challenge you. Catch one.
Pakita. Pakita yung screen. Screen sana eh. Hindi na nila. Screen.
Bigyan lang dito na sila, oh. Don't you see them? They're swimming away. Kaya na. Haba, bumilis yung current, oh. Mayroon ba laman para marunong ka magkain ito na may buto?
Luna!
Kakagatin na lang. Marunong ka daw pala eh.
Luna!
Laman lang, wag yung may buto.
Luna!
Mama, yung gulay na ba?
Talagang wala mo yun. Karakagdaran na mo yun.
Masubo ka kay Tita Kim.
Lagyan yung ganito.
Luna! Come here. Ayos kaya.
Tayo ka na lang. Nahulog na. Kaya? O,
Dito sila oh. Kung nakatayo sila.
ayun pala, dito ka.
Mas baba. Dito.
Dalan me, kasi manakbag.
Dito.
Migi, tawag ka ni Tita. Wah, subuan ko siya.
Taran. Ano papairap siya ating konti nyo mga ano?
Ating kanyo? Ating camping chair. Migi, kakain ka mag-isa or subuan kita? Kakain ka mag-isa?
Ito, try mo to.
Which one? Susubuan o kakain mag-isa? Mag-isa.
Mag-isa daw?
Oh, di lang niya makamintos yung tayo.
Dapat pala yung pati bata.
Tulog na siya, si Ate Ann? Kumakain pa din.
Kumain ka muna.
Ganam.
Ilog. Ilog. Oo, nanguhuli ng maliliit na isda.
Saan ko na ito?
Lema. Oh. Kaya pa. You're finished eating that? Konti lang kumain niya. Kain na kami. Kain natin. O, sige.
Hello guys, ito po, relax muna si Joy. Yan. Andun yung mga bata, nag-i-enjoy. Ayan sila, nag-i-enjoy.
Welcome to my vlog!
Ayan. Ayan. Dito yan, sa Ilog Kamalig. Ayan, ang babaw lang, pang bata.
Let me face the water. You're crazy, no? You're crazy, no? Look at us. Don't flash me. I'm floating. You sit there. Put on my belly.
Lift your head.
More stones.
Put the stones there. Okay.
Because I don't want to slip. Hey, what are we? Stones are heavy. There's many stones. This looks like glass, right? There's bracket.
Oh, no! Careful.
No.
Oh, pwede ka lang yan. Pwede ka lang umakyat.
Wait, maybe. You just hear some. Oh, I just hear some. Here. Small one might not hurt.
Why does it hurt your feet when you jump?
Are you helping me?
Yeah, I am. Okay, jump.
Whoa! You know, earlier I just made a big splash there. I'll show you. Let me just. Ouch! The rocks are hurting me.
It's hot, Jan. Okay. Flash away. Gusto mo doon? Okay. Mapunta ka na siya. Ano mo yung dito nga, may biscuit na dito. Yeah, isa pa. Sa kabila. Yan. Magtampi ka. Init. Nakakuha ka ng unang mo dyan, ha?
Natatalan si Miji.
Are you going to jump? Can you jump over me? Can you jump over me?
Let me check this rock.
No?
Let me check first. No, and no leaves are coming to us. Yeah, the little bit. I just found something. What is this? I think that's a bridge. Get out. I will jump over you.
No, I can't. You can.
Because there's too many rocks.
You might hit something. You might hit my leg. One, two, did it hurt?
No. Why is it like that? In the water. Really hurt.
It did not? Sure ka?
It's slippery here.
Oh, go to the rock na lang instead. Oh no, there's an invasion.
Not again. Not again.
Whoa, are you being carried?
I'm gonna like that. I got the shortcut. Like me.
Sleeping.
Are you sleeping?
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping?
Brother John out.
Oh, there are like rocks in there. Gotta be careful. Have to be careful. Careful.
Slippery. This slippery. I will go back there.
Where? The rocks?
Yeah. I'm taking a short.
Mainit pa dyan. Binabasa niya naman kasi it's a big one. A block. May block tayo para sa pang ano, pang barbecue mo. Hindi kaya sa mahal ka ba? Yes, what are you doing?
Let's go make a bridge, but the water's deep, right? I need to make bridge.
What bridge? Masikip tapos tatalong ka dito. Masasaktan tayo. Like that? Like the one that we did?
No, like a big bridge. How we can see underwater.
We can't see it.
Because it's so big.
It was short. But you look at that.
How was here? How was here? Let's go make it. Wait, where are you?
There's sand in my pants. In my shorts. There's sand. I can feel it. Don't you have it?
No.
You have it. I feel it there. Oh,
I'm trying to catch fish.
oh I'll remove the sand in your bum. In your bum. You see? It is.
You get that fish jumping?
Yeah.
Shut up.
You're so funny, no? No, it's ilog. It's not itlog. Itlog is its egg.
Boy. Lawan-lawan niya na may katakas na nun.
May katakas ya?
Di ba tugtog ko?
Luna, come. Luna, come here.
Yan, mawag ko. Wait lang. Asan?
I don't work for Sally. That's the truth. You did tell me.
Whenever she will win, I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win.
She has something on you.
Oh, right?
She didn't say I don't know.
There we go. One. That was two. Oh, wait. Wait. I give you the big rock.
Gusto mo?
How will I go there?
Okay. Yeah, I'll watch over you. Kuya, saan na? Just explore, okay? Don't swim. Yeah, it's okay. Go there. Yeah, look for fish.
Ibabad na rin doon. Hindi na ka magbabad? Na?
Luna.
Daddy knows. Join us. You have to go with me. Like it's better than you. Wow! Masarap.
Buhay pa. Yan si Mai. Prito tayo ng manok.
Anong spicy level yun? 5?
Dito tayo ng chicken finger. Gusto ng mga bata to.
Habang nasa ilog.
Ayan.
Later.
Later.
Kapainin na yan. Sabi ko, Nebi sa muli, let's go this again tomorrow. Ano? Sige, sama kami ng Tita Carmen. Dali ako, mag-overnight kami. So, kagising na tayo, mag-swimming meron.
I guess what is those spiders?
They're not spiders.
The water flying spiders. They're not biting.
They're not.
Sometimes they bite.
But I'll put off on you later. Off lotion. Make sure na walang insect. Hindi ka pa nilalamig. Oy. Di pa? Bakit pag nilamig naman to nanginginig eh.
Siya lamigin eh. Maligam-gam yung tubig eh.
Tama. Oh, you're coming back and forth, huh? And then going under.
Which one is spiders?
Luna! May basa na may Luna.
Where's Luna?
Luna! Luna!
I guess what is those spiders?
They're not spiders.
The water flying spiders. They're not biting.
They're not.
Sometimes they bite.
But I'll put off on you later. Off lotion. Make sure na walang insect. Hindi ka pa nilalamig. Oy. Di pa? Bakit pag nilamig naman to nanginginig eh.
Siya lamigin eh. Maligam-gam yung tubig eh.
Tama. Oh, you're coming back and forth, huh? And then going under.
Which one is spiders?
Luna! May basa na may Luna.
Where's Luna?
Luna! Luna!
Good morning. Ayan. Luto tayo ng breakfast. Hotdog. Nakaluto tayo ng rice. Ayan, si Miguel naglalaro na. Ayan na. Yeah, ayan, tapos na ang camping. Uwian time.
Pag nagtapos na magpaitim.
Ayan, bye-bye, Ilog Kamalig.